Hello everyone, this is Amisha from class 10th B. Today I am going to do an experiment and I will show you the effects of some natural indicators which can be commonly found in our houses. The things required for doing this experiment is, first I have took two things which contains acid. In acid I have took a lemon, a tomato. Lemon contains citric acid and tomato contains oxalic acid. In the bases I have took two bases. First is toothpaste and second one is washing soda. In the salts I have took chalk powder which is also called as calcium carbonate and common salt which is also called sodium chloride. And I have took four natural indicators. First one is lemon which is also known as olfactory indicator. Second one is lime water. Third one is phenolphthalein and the fourth one is turmeric, and these are natural indicators whose effects today I will show you. I have rubbed all the four natural indicators on a sheet of paper to get the desired experiment. So first I will show you how turmeric will act on acid, bases and salts as a natural indicators, and here is its effects. First, I have took some lemon drops and I will put it on turmeric paper. And here you can see that there is no effects on the turmeric paper. Now I will put another acid which is also known as oxalic acid and is found in tomatoes. So here I have took some paste of tomato or oxalic acid and I will put it on the same turmeric paper. Here also you can see that there is no effects of acid on the turmeric. Now we will take some base. In the base I have took some washing powder solution and I will test it on turmeric paper. So here you can see that the paper is turning its color from yellow to red. So we knew that the effects of base on this turmeric paper has turned it to red. Now we will take another base. So here I have took some toothpaste solution and I will put it on turmeric paper. Here also you can see that the paper is changing its color from yellow to red. Now we will take some salt. Now here I have took some salt solution and I will put it on turmeric paper. You can see that there is no effects on this paper. Now we will go to lime water and test it with acid, bases and salt. First I have took some citric acid and I will place it on the lime water solution, which is I have rubbed it on a paper. So here you can see that there is no effects of color on this paper. Now I will take some base. I have took washing powder solution and I will test again it on lime water paper. So here you can see that the paper has started to change its color into pink. Now I have took some salt and I will test it on the same lime water paper. And here you can see that there is no effects of color on this paper. Now we will look it on another natural indicator which is also known as phenolphthalein. So here first I have took some citric acid solution and I will place it on the phenolphthalein. So here you can see that there is no effect on this paper. Now I will take some base. So here again I have took washing powder solution and I will place it on this paper. So here you can see that the paper has started to change its color into pink. Now I will take some salt. Here I have took some salt solution, and here also you can see that there is no effects on this paper. Now we will take the last but not the least indicator, which is also known as olfactory indicator. Anyway, it is also going to show its effects through its smell, which I will tell you. I have rubbed the onion on this paper, and I will show you the effect of acid, base and salt on this paper. So here I have took some citric acid again, and I will put it on this paper. Anyway, it is not showing any effect, but the smell of onion is still there on the paper. Now I will take some base. So here I have put some. Anyway, here on the after putting base on this onion rubbed paper, there is no effect on or very slight effect of the color, but an amazing thing happened that the smell of onion has been lost. From here the smell of onion has been lost, but the smell of onion in the acidic medium is still there. So here we have seen the effects of acid, bases and salts on 4 indicators: turmeric, lime water and phenolphthalein and onion. Hope you have gained some knowledge about acid, bases and salts on the effects on natural indicator. Thank you.